welcome to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to cook egg fried rice. It's simple, it's easy. Let's get moving on. I'll show you the ingredients just now. The ingredients for this recipe are half a cup of steamed vegetables, 2 eggs, 1 finely diced onion, sweet corn, just around half a cup, around 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a couple of cloves of garlic, and a chicken cube to go with your rice when you're boiling, and that's it. So the process is that we will now fry the eggs. So here I'm just using some extra virgin olive oil, and here are my eggs, 1 and 2. There you go. Oops, just be careful, we don't want no shells in. And we will use some salt and some black pepper, and that is literally it. So we'll just generally keep these on low heat and just keep tossing and turning until the eggs are done. So when the eggs are looking a bit like this, you will move on to the next process. So we will just move these eggs nicely into a small bowl and move on to the next process. So the next process is that we will boil our rice. I have just used 1 cup of basmati rice, which I have washed, and I have now drained. I will now add my water. There you go. And within that I will add almost around a tablespoon of salt, just to give it that flavour. We will also add within here is 1 of the chicken cubes, which just gives it a really nice flavour, and we will leave them to boil. Okay, the rice is now looking like it's ready, so we just need to drain this, and we will drain. There you go. That's looking really nice. Really nice and long grains of rice. All done. So we'll just leave them to drain for 5 minutes because it takes away all the starches. So the next step is to get the main body of the ingredients ready. So you need a pan of this size ideally, and you need a couple of teaspoons of olive oil or any oil, just so that we can fry the onions. So you will need 1 finely chopped onion, and you will cook this until it's light brown. Once the onion's light brown, we'll add the next ingredients, which is the garlic and the salt and the pepper. Now that the onions are light brown like they are at this stage, we will add the garlic. Just kind of like give that a little bit of a stir so it mixes in with the onion. We will now add a tiny little bit of salt, just for taste, and a tiny little bit of pepper, again, just for taste. Give it a little bit of a stir, and we will add the vegetables. There you go. I usually add some sweet corn because my family loves sweet corn, but this is entirely your own choice what vegetables you put in this. And then you go straight in with the soy sauce. I usually put around 5 to 6 teaspoons. Just gives it that really nice flavour and taste, soy sauce. And then we just stir that until your vegetables are soft. And then we'll add in the eggs once that's done. Once you have done that, you just add the rice, which has already been pre-boiled. Give it a good mix, a really nice mix, and those vegetables just give your rice that extra colour. This is healthy, it's nutritious, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Right, once we have just mixed everything around, we add the eggs over. I usually do the eggs right at the end. Just give it a good mix in everywhere. And there we go. There is your egg fried rice. So the egg fried rice is now ready. You can serve it with salad, you can serve it with chutney, you can serve it with a curry. It's quick, it's easy, and it's healthy. Please do try it at home and let me know how you went on in the comment section. If you like my video, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you very soon with my next video.